My name is Kelly Martin. I'm the owner-operator of Martin Woodworks in Winder, Georgia. I've been a Phantom CNC user for just over a year now. What inspired me to be a woodworker? It's really a hard question. It's just something I dabbled in when I was younger, and it just kind of took off from there. I first got into woodworking by building custom stereo boxes, subwoofer boxes for people's cars. I quit my job, my real job, 4 years ago, and embarked on this CNC woodworking journey. The business has evolved and changed quite a bit over the 4 years. Went from doing some crafty stuff and building furniture and tables and things like that to now doing more complex 3D CNC projects. The fact that I actually took the leap to quit the safe job and do this full time, that was a huge step for me. I started really looking at Phantom after I saw Izzy Swan's video about the Phantom CNC, and I had encouraged one of my friends to buy a Phantom, and I knew I was going to as soon as I could. I started getting busier and busier, and the old CNC I had just was not cutting it anymore. And my wife encouraged me to step out and spend the money to buy the new machine. And having the new machine has changed my life. It's made getting up and knowing that there's a lot of CNC work to do, that it's going to happen and I don't have to worry about the machine not working. One of the things I've noticed with the staff at Phantom CNC, it just has this family-oriented feel, like everyone wants to help each other. I've never gotten that connection with another company, maybe with other friends, other organizations or whatever, but never through a company. But it just seems like everybody wants to help. Everybody wants to chip in. Everybody wants to make you feel welcome. I think Phantom CNC, with what Steve has done here, has really disrupted the market. Before Phantom CNC, you could either order your own machine from China and have no support and hope you got a good machine, or you could spend the money to get an American-made machine and spend money that most of us can't afford. Phantom hitting the market at their price point has changed everything. Every time I have any issue, I have a cell phone number of the guys that work in the warehouse, and they are there to answer the questions anytime I call. I think Steve's idea was to have a machine that's affordable for the guy who's working in his backyard shop, and that's exactly me, and that's why I chose them. It's a machine that's easy to afford and does everything the expensive machines do.